MV Photovoltaic Power Limited's quarter three earnings are finally out. We have a 4-page report. Let's see how these latest earnings, that is quarter three fiscal year earnings, were actually. So, headline: 118% increase in revenue. Revenue was 11,523 million rupees, or 1,152 crore rupees. So add a decimal point up, that's how we convert into crores. So revenue from operations, 118% growth. Total income, which means revenue from operations plus other income, was 1,167 crores, 117% growth. EBITDA reached 413 crores, 105% growth, a little less than revenue. Okay, less than revenue. EBITDA margin was 35.9%. Profit after tax reached 263 crores, 166% increase. Profit after tax margin was 23% compared to 18% in quarter 3 fiscal year 2025. Now, for the first 9 months of quarter 3 fiscal year 2026, that is the first 3 quarters combined, revenues were 3,311 crores, 162% growth. Profit after tax increased by 326% in the first 3 quarters combined. Okay, 3 quarters combined. 689 crores in the first 3 quarters. And this quarter alone, quarter 3 alone, was 263 crores. Okay, let's move down even more. So, total solar module, that is panel manufacturing capacity, increased to 10.3 gigawatts as of December 2025. Okay, they successfully commissioned a new 2.5 gigawatt solar module manufacturing line on December 20th at Sulibelk facility. So 10.3 gigawatts is the total module manufacturing capacity. Then look at this order book, that is orders from customers. 9.3 gigawatts is the total order book as of December 2025. It provides strong revenue visibility, and it includes a 6.3 gigawatts worth of projects to be delivered in the next 12 to 18 months. Then, major, this was solar module. Okay, they have received a significant 4.5 gigawatt order for the supply of TOPCon crystalline silicon photovoltaic cells. Sorry, I think this is included in the one, but still 4.5 gigawatt major order for solar cells, not modules, solar cells, and it is to be executed between December 2025 and December 2030. I think this 4.5 gigawatts should be included in 9.3, but still 4.5 gigawatts is a big thing. Okay, and it's solar cell, not module. Then backward integration. Company has fully paid for land allotment for a proposed 6 gigawatt integrated solar module and cell manufacturing facility at Bengaluru. Design and execution planning are currently in progress. So a new facility of 6 gigawatts integrated, so including both solar modules and solar cells facility, they've already paid for the land allotment. So I guess they have paid for land allotment, so they're about to get the land for the facility. And design and execution are currently in progress. This was page 2 of the report. Then, more important situation. The company maintains a net cash position. What is net cash? That means the cash and cash equivalents are more than their total debt. Their debt is less than their cash and cash equivalents. That gives it a net cash position. Its net debt to equity ratio was minus 0.02 times. Why is it minus? Because net debt, that is total debt minus cash and cash equivalents, is negative, as cash and cash equivalents are what? They are more than the debt. That's why it's negative. Return capital employed 36.5%, return equity 49.9%. High. And finally, management commentary was: we're pleased to report a quarter of exceptional growth. Okay, and look at this. Positioning us well to execute our ambitious expansion plans to reach 16.3 gigawatts of module and 8.9 gigawatts of cell capacity by fiscal year 2028. So these are their final plans. Okay, 16.3 gigawatts solar module, 8.9 gigawatts of cell capacity by fiscal year 2028. So yeah, that's it. This was a good quarter for MV Photovoltaic Power Limited. Let us see how the next quarters look. Bye.